white space. Let me use again the regular expression to match and extract the white space. Example number 23. Import the regular expression library here, where a equals to Python and JavaScript, b equals to regular expression dot search of backslash with the capital X comma a, print of first white space comma b dot start. When run it, you'll get first white space at 6. Look, this thing is different compared to the previous one which we have done for the white space. Here what we are doing, we are finding the index number for the white space. So as usual, always import the regular expression library here. A equals to Python and JavaScript. This is the a value. And then b equals to regular expression dot search of backslash with a small s comma a. Now don't forget, this time I'm using search, regular expression with a search. Regular expression dot search, not regular expression dot find all. This time I'm using the search. So print of first white space colons, and then with a space before the last quote. If you put a space here, you will get a space. So from here up to here is this thing. Whatever thing you write inside the quotes, it will be printed. So first white space, and then this is the formula, comma b dot start. To do so, we'll get the index number of the first white space. So look at here, the first white space index number is 6. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the first white space. After Python is the first white space, which lies at index 6. Therefore, it returns 6. I repeat it. Indexing number always start from the 0. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first white space lies at 6 index. Therefore, it returns 6. It is because of this formula, b dot start. So we are matching and extracting the index number of the white space. Not only the white space, the index number for the white space by using the search with a regular expression. Let me check regular expression with a split. To use re.split, we will split the words and will escape the white space. In this example, we will escape the white space and will split the words. Example number 24. Import the regular expression library again, and then a equals to Python and JavaScript, b equals to regular expression dot split of backslash with a small s comma a. Print of b. When run it, you will get this output. Look, we are using split with a regular expression here, re.split. To use the split and then backslash with the s, it will escape all the white spaces. If you remember, backslash with the s regular expression escape all the white space. We're escaping the white space and will split all the words in the output. So Python is the separate word, and is the separate word, JavaScript is a separate word. They have been splitted separately inside the quotes in the output. But make sure white space has been escaped. Backslash with a small s is the white space. It has been escaped by using the split with a regular expression.